Everyone, and welcome to the fifth tutorial on MongoDB series. In this video, we will first cover the update document. For example, I have this record and I want to update some row. For example, I want to change the name. The syntax is db.users.update. I have to pass two objects. The first one will be the condition criteria, like we did in where clause. I say where name is this, and the second parameter is the updated value, like we did in set clause in MySQL. So for example, I want to change its age. So now when I query the document, you can see the age has been changed, but we have lost its value. So if you want to change only some specific value, which is basically what we do, you can do this by db.update. The first parameter will be same, the criteria. For example, now I'm doing what on this record, and instead of just changing values like this, I'm going to use the set operator, and set operator will receive an object, and this is the object that replaces its current value. So I can do age 30. So when I again query the document, you can see its age has been updated. The next is the incremental value, which is very simple. So for example, you want to increment its value. So in MySQL, what we do is let's say set count is equal to count plus 3. So you can do it here like db.users.update. I'm going to update this value. So I'm going to use an operator inc. It stands for increment age, and I have to tell the value, incremental value. So let's say 3. As you can see, the value has been incremented. The last one is the remove document. Remove document is simply if you want to, like we in MySQL we did the delete clause, we can remove a document by db.collectionName.remove function, and remove function will receive an object which is basically the condition criteria. So for example, I want to remove this object. I'm gonna do age 22, and when I query again, you can see that record has been deleted. So that's all for now. Let me know if you face any issue in this, and thank you.